Hello friends. As an actor, have you noticed the competitive stakes are getting higher in the accent game? It seems as if television and film are increasingly hiring actors who are able to switch it up at the drop of a hat. Well, I have some exciting news for those of you who want to become competitive in this arena. You'll be pleased to know that I've released an ebook that is totally free. All you need to do is sign up as a subscriber via my website, that's actorsaccentcoach.com, and we'll send you a copy. It's a great first step with some hot tips to get you started, and it's a pretty good read too. So go to the website, grab your ebook, and you're on the way to reaping the reward, both creatively and for your career.